everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I'd like to say Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's to each and every one of you. And I hope you guys are having a blessed 2021 so far. We're just a few days in, but I really hope you're having a blessed one. So your girl is back on, and I'm coming again with my first video for 2021, and I'm making a glam accent table. Yes, I am. So I'm going to show you how to take these dollar store and more items and turn them into this glam accent table. So if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome, and I hope you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell twice so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. If you'd like to see how I put together that glam table, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, I have these 3 bowls. They are joined together. As you see here, the 3 of them are joined together. So I have 2 of them, and I'm going to be using some E6000 and some hot glue. And we are going to join them together, turn them upside down. We'll turn one upside down and join them together. So we're just going to place them together and apply some pressure for a few seconds to help the glue dry. And then now, as you can see here, there's some spacing in between where they didn't join because not everywhere touches properly. So I'm just going to be filling it in with some hot glue, all the open spaces that I see going right around our bowls. And I will be joining 4 sets of these bowls together. So we'll have 4 of them with the 2 pieces and 1 with a single piece for the bottom. And now we'll be using some of our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, which I cut into strips. Here I cut it into strips using 2 of the rows, and we're just going to use some hot glue and glue it right around where the 2 vases are joined together to hide the imperfections of that and to add a little glam to our accent table. And I will be doing 2 sets of our bowls with the glam bling wrap. And now with our other 2 set of bowls, I'll be using the mirrored glass tiles that I got from Amazon. And we're going to do the same thing using some E6000, and I'll be gluing it going right around our bowls. Now, like I said, I started using the E6000 to glue down the mirror tiles, but it's not working out, you guys. I am struggling right here for it to stay on. I don't know why, but it's not staying on, so I'm going to use some hot glue to glue around our mirror tiles instead. And now for the top part of our Glam accent stand. I have this round mirror here that I got from a local Dollar Tree in my area, and some foam board in the color black. Doesn't matter if it's black or white, and I'll be using a marker to trace out the top part of our mirror. And I'll be just using the X-Acto knife and cutting it out, and I'll be cutting out 2 pieces for our mirror. Okay, here are our 2 pieces. Now, I'm not the greatest with the X-Acto knife. It's all zigzag, but that's okay, it won't show. Just do what you can and cut it out just like I did. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue the 2 pieces together. So now I'm going to be using some more of our bling wrap to wrap around the side of our 2 pieces to make it look a little neater when we add the mirror on top. Okay, now that is all done. This is how it looks. Very nice. So now we are going to add our mirror to the top part of our 2 circles. So I'll just be using some hot glue and then placing our mirror on top. Now I don't know why my camera decided to go on focus at this moment. I don't know why, but it did. But you can still basically see what I'm doing. Just adding the hot glue, and then we're going to place our mirror on top. Okay, I'm going to be using these napkin holders that I got from the Dollar Tree and placing them on the very top part of our bowls that's going to go on the top of our stand just before the mirror. Yeah. And I'll just be using some E6000 and some hot glue to glue them right down. And like I said, this is the top part of our stand. So here is the mirror. So I would just use some E6000 and some hot glue and glue the mirror to the top part of our stand. I'm not going to glue it yet. I'm just showing you how I will be gluing it. And now it's time to put our pieces together and start building our Glam accent table. So like I said, this is a single piece here. And then we are just going to glue our solid pieces that we put together and glue them together. Yeah. So I'll be using some E6000 and some hot glue. And now we are just going to place our first layer on top. Okay, here's the first layer that we just did. And we are going to just add our next layer. And as you can see, one layer is the bling wrap. The next layer is the mirrored glass tiles. And like before, we're just going to use some E6000 and some hot glue and put our Glam's accent stand together. And here is our Glam accent table / stand, whichever one you want to class it as is fine. Both is perfect. I think it looks absolutely lovely. I love how it turned out. And with this accent table, you can stack it as high as you like, or if you want it lower, you can make it lower too. You just add the amount of bowls that you want to use, and it's absolutely beautiful. And here's our accent table all decked out with some roses on top. I like how it turned out. It looks absolutely beautiful, using items from the dollar store and more. Yes, I think it looks absolutely lovely with the pieces put together, all blinged out. A lovely piece of home decor on a budget. You know your girl is all about saving those coins and having something glam and elegant at the same time. Yes. And here is another lovely vase on top of our glam accent table. I think it looks absolutely lovely. You can place it anywhere throughout your home, either in your bedroom, in your office, in your glam girls room, or even in your living room like I did. Place it anywhere that you want and place any little piece of item on top of it. It will make it look absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed seeing how I made this glam accent table. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And like I said, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone. I need, oh, I need, oh, need,